Hi everyone, it's Winston back again with another origami video, and you're probably wondering why this hand is painted and this isn't. It's to prevent me from, I don't know, damaging, biting my nails. I tend to do that often, whilst this one is fine. It starts growing out. I'm trying to be good. But anyway, my hand's been like this for like past couple of videos and I'm only addressing it now. But anyway, let's jump straight into the video because that's what we're here for. And today we're making another plain origami, a Skyhawk plane. How many more planes origami will I make this year? Who knows? But yeah, thought it would be really cool to make. It looks really cool, so, and really different from the other origami planes we've made. So excited about this one. So yeah, let's begin. First of all, take your square piece of origami paper like usual, and we're going to want to make it rectangular. So it's going to be an interesting pattern for this origami. I didn't realize. Just make a small crease here when you when you fold it in half, and then again fold it up to that halfway crease that you made and actually press down this time. Then what you want to do next is cut this bit off with a pair of scissors. Awesome, so once you've cut that out, we can just discard that, and we're gonna fold this model in half. Like so. And then all we want to do next is rotate it, and we're going to fold it diagonally, like this. We're going to fold it diagonally both ways. So once it's on one side, going to do the same on the other side. And then we're going to unfold it and fold it in half up to these two corners that we've made from doing the diagonal folds. Awesome, and then once we've done that, we want to collapse this into a water bomb base. So what you simply do is bring these two sides together, and then with your thumb squash the top and press down. So following the folds that you've just made, this should somewhat collapse. So it's easy. Yep, line it up and then press down when ready and lined up properly. So, and then turn it back around like that. And what we want to do next is fold these two to the point at the top down. And we're going to then, that's the confusing part, we're going to want to then taking this side here and fold it to the center, and then unfold, and then fold this side here to the center and unfold again. So then we're going to repeat this on this other triangle flap here, fold it to the center, then unfold, then fold it to the center again. then unfold. Then what you want to do next after you've done that is, and then unfolding them all, is you're going to pinch the corner to shape the creases into a small triangular flap like this. Oh. Like so, and then like press down the top of that triangle and try to get it as even as possible like this. And you're just going to repeat that on the side. You're going to push up, crease along the folds you've just made like that. Then yep, same as the other side, pinch and then press down on the model like so. And then yeah, that should be the result. Then you want to flip over, and judging by the center line that's around here, you're going to want to fold it over to that line. So yeah, kind of like at the bottom of the other side of that triangle, you want to fold it over, and as you do so, this will pop up at the bottom. Awesome. And then after that, we're going to simply fold it in half like so, this way out. So folding it out in half, you're gonna have to press down a bit like so, and then you're simply just gonna fold down these flaps about this much. Yeah. Yep, that will do, and then repeat that on the other side. And then yeah, then you can flip it round, squeeze that a bit more, and yep, that is your Skyhawk plane. That's what it's called. Just had to remind myself what it is. Yeah, it's a pretty neat model actually. It's very different from the other models I've made, and hopefully it does actually somewhat fly. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed making that. As usual, write a comment down below what you thought about this video, like this video so I know you enjoy this type of content, and subscribe for more videos like this and other stuff I post like vlogs. And yeah, thanks for watching everyone, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.